Okay, in previous video we have discussed two main events of sexual reproduction, that is your pre-fertilization event and fertilization, double fertilization that we have discussed, right? Now in this video we are going to discuss one of the major aspect, that is called as your artificial hybridization. Artificial hybridization is one of the major approaches for crop improvement. क्रॉप इम्प्रूव करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग अ टेक्निक कॉल्ड एज आर्टिफिशियल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. इन द सेंस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको चाहिए डिजीज रेजिस्टेंट प्लांट, पेस्ट रेजिस्टेंट प्लांट फॉर इम्प्रूविंग प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ सर्टेन प्लांट्स, देन वी आर गोइंग फॉर आर्टिफिशियल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस आर्टिफिशियल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, ये प्रोसेस में वी आर यूजिंग ओनली डिजायर्ड पोलन for pollination and thus we are preventing contamination of stigma. अब contamination of stigma मानी क्या? Contamination of stigma means it nothing but pollination by unwanted pollen. Okay, so simply artificial hybridization में हम क्या करते हैं? We are using desired pollen. Desired pollen is dusted on stigma of carpel and stigma is protected from contamination. What is contamination? From unwanted pollen. ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है आपका आर्टिफिशियल हाइब्रिडाइजेशन का. नाउ दिस प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व्स थ्री मेन स्टेप्स. तीन स्टेप्स होते हैं. नंबर वन इज योर इमेस्क्यूलेशन, second one is your bagging and third one is your tagging. Once again, your artificial hybridization involves three steps. Number one is emasculation, second one is your bagging and the third one is your tagging. ये तीन steps है. So let's discuss about your emasculation. Okay, now if we are talking about bisexual flower. Bisexual flower in the sense what? Flower is having both male as well as female reproductive structures. Now in emasculation, what we are doing? By using forceps, we are going to remove anther from flower bud. Bisexual flower की बात कर रहे हैं हम. तो in this flower we are going to remove anther from flower bud by using forceps. Okay, हमने क्या करा है भाई? anther ही remove कर दिया है. So this process is called as emasculation. What is emasculation? It is nothing but removal of anther. It is nothing but removal of anther from flower bud by using forceps. This process is called as emasculation. Followed by this comes your bagging. What happens in bagging? ये जो emasculated flowers है, okay, this emasculated flower are covered by bag of suitable size. Normally this bag is made up of your butter paper. Normally we are using butter paper. Simply you can use paper also, otherwise you can use parchment paper also. क्या करा हमने बैगिंग में? यहाँ पे हमने एंथर रिमूव करी. Now this emasculated flowers are covered by bag of suitable size. क्यों? What is the reason? हमको क्यों कवर करना है? Simple as that, to prevent stigma from contamination. हमको unwanted pollens वहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए. This is why we are going to cover. This is why we are going to cover emasculated flower. तो ये प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है bagging. Followed by this comes your tagging. Okay, as the name suggests, the emasculated flowers are provided with tag. Are provided with tag. See, normally ये जो tag होते हैं they are light in weight which are made up of plate and इसके ऊपर से कार्बन पेंसिल से लिखा जाता है. What we need to write? Number one is date of emasculation. We are going to write. Second one is date of pollination, and third we are going to write name of male and female parent which we have taken in this cross. So these are the three steps: emasculation, anther remove करना, bagging is nothing but emasculated flower को आप cover करते हो by using a bag of appropriate size, followed by tagging. In tagging we are going to note down this date of emasculation, date of pollination, as well as name of female and male parents. Okay, now this we have discussed about your bisexual flower. If flower is unisexual, if फ्लावर इज यूनिसेक्सुअल मतलब एक फ्लावर में एक ही रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर है, तो इज देयर एनी रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ इमेस्क्यूलेशन? नो, देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ इमेस्क्यूलेशन इन यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर द सेम? क्योंकि फ्लावर इज यूनिसेक्सुअल इन द सेंस एक फ्लावर इज मेल एंड अनदर फ्लावर इज फीमेल. तो सिंपली फीमेल फ्लावर को आप क्या कर देते हो? It is covered with bag to prevent its contamination. Okay, ये bagging पूरी करी हमने, right? Now, when stigma becomes receptive, when say for example ये आपका flower है, right? And this is your, मान लो ये आपका क्या है भाई, carpel, and इसको आपने cover कर दिया है. This is your bagging. This is your bagging. Now, once this stigma becomes receptive, once this stigma becomes receptive, आपको ये बैग ओपन करनी है. ओपन करी, then you are going to dust desired pollen over here. यहाँ पे आपको डस्ट करना है क्या? desired pollen followed by, इसके ऊपर वापस से क्या कर देना है आपको? कवर. followed by you can say rebaging, क्योंकि एक बार आपने ओपन करी बैग, right? You have dusted pollen grain. Once again you need to rebag and you need to wait until it produces fruits. Okay, so this is the process of artificial hybridization.